Hi, good morning guys. How are you all? I'm Kumar. Okay, today I'm here to teach you some basic skills as a goalkeeper, basic skills in goalkeeping. Okay, hope you all are doing well. Okay, now I'll just teach you some basic skills in goalkeeping today. Okay, you know the main part of goalkeeper is to stop the ball, to catch the ball. Okay, and the opponent is shooting on the goal. So I'll teach you the basic skills in football today. Okay, ready? Before we go to the skills, we'll start with the warm. Warm is very important, right? We'll start with the warm. Okay, just follow me, follow my instructions. Okay, take a normal walk. Just keep some markers 7 to 8 feet above, so that you can have some space to do the warm. Okay. Just take a normal walk. We do all the warm exercise for 3 sets. Okay. Take a normal walk. Walk around. Warm up is very important before you go to a game or a match to avoid injuries. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll start. We'll change the exercise. Now slow jog around, jog. Jog around, come on, follow me, good. Okay, now, off with your strong leg first, okay, off. Jog from here, okay, off. Again, off. Good. Now change the leg, okay? With the other leg. Around, nice. Good. Up. Good. Keep moving. Wait for the last set. Nice. Okay. Now we change the walk drill. We'll move to the next drill, which we call as high knees. See, for this, you have to lift your knees high and walk first, okay? See? Lift your knees high and walk. Again jog. Okay? Do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and jog. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and jog. Nice. Now we will do the same thing little bit faster, okay? So watch. Good. Again. Good. Again. Good. Nice. Will you take it? Come. Good. For the last time. Okay? Good. Yeah. Now, you change the exercise. Change the drill, which is called as tap your butt. Okay. For this, you have to lift your leg behind and tap your hands, keeping behind. Okay, like this. Okay. Now we do it a little bit faster. Ready? Okay. Good. Come on. Okay, we'll do it for the last time. Ready? Okay, now change. Okay, now we'll move to the next drill, next exercise, which is called sliding. See, for this, you have to keep straight, keep your upper body straight, bend your knees, and to slide. See, like this, okay? Again jog. You do the same thing, come on. Good. Now try to do little bit faster, okay? Change. Good. Nice. Once again. Good. Now you change the side, okay? You change the side and then do it The same thing, same thing. Good. Nice. Again. Again. Good. Look for the last one, okay? Good. Now relax. Take a walk. Walk around. Walk around. Good. Okay. Now bend slightly and relax. Like this. When you go up, breathe in. When you come out, breathe out. Okay. Okay. Now we will move on to the next. Okay. We will start with some stretches. Okay. Mainly, goalkeeper should be always fit a lot. Even he can use his hands, right? So we will move on to some upper body stretches. Okay. Firstly, rotate your hands. Rotate your hands forward. Good. Good. Yeah. Backward. Good. Okay. Now up and down. Nice. Keep going. Okay, good. Up and down. Okay. Now relax. Okay. Just keep your left hand forward and drag your fingers back, okay, with your right hand, like this, okay. Yeah, now change. Drag and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, okay. Okay, nice. Good. Okay. Now bring your left hand close to your right hand, close to your left hand, and hold your elbow so that you stretch your shoulder muscles, okay. Good. Again. Okay, nice. Relax. Relax. Okay. Now hands up. Bend and touch your toes. Bend and touch your toes. Don't bend your knees. Good. Okay, nice. Now up. Again. And just now touch your right toe. Only your right toe. This is to stretch. Make your muscles relax. Okay, again now. And move your left. Up again. Okay, now bend. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. Split your legs. And you just move your hands forward like this. And hold. This is to relax your core muscles and hip muscles. Okay? Hold. Okay, back again. Up. Hands up. Again, bend down. And keep it forward. Hold. Okay, now back. Up. Okay, back. Interlock your fingers like this. And bend forward. Bend forward, keep your head up. See, like this. Bend forward, keep your head up. Good. Okay, now interlock your fingers again. Up. Bend to your right and to your left. Again to your right. Again to your left. Okay, now relax. Relax. Okay, interlock your fingers. Up. Keep your legs up. Toes up. Stand on your toes and walk around. Walk. Walk on your toes. Okay? Good. Walk on your toes. Nice. Okay, now relax. Relax. Okay, good. I hope you all are warmed up. Okay, I'll give you 20 seconds of time. Go add some water and come back. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, now we move on to some drills. Okay, to improve our goalkeeping. Okay, firstly, if you have gloves, you can wear it, or else that's fine. You can do it with the bare hands. Okay, after moving forward, you can get the gloves and wear it and practice. Okay, I have a gloves. I'll show you today. Okay, firstly, before we move on to the drills, I just want to make you feel the ball with your hands. Okay, so that firstly, just hold the ball. Okay, throw it up and catch. Throw it up and catch. Always you have to keep your eye on the ball. This is the main thing. Okay, just throw it up and catch. Throw it up and catch. Okay, catch it upper hand. Okay, like this. Throw it up and catch. Up and catch. See, up and catch. Up and catch. Good. Okay, now you are getting some feel, right? Holding a ball, gripping. It will be good. Okay, now you just throw the ball up and using our forearms we grab the ball. Okay, this is the other kind to hold the ball. Hold the ball strong so that opponent cannot take the ball from you. Hold it to throw it up and hold. Up and hold. Up and catch. Throw it up and catch. Throw it up and catch. Okay, good. Up and catch. Up and catch. Good, nice. Come on, up and catch. Good. Keep practicing this. Keep doing this at least 20 times. Good. Nice. Come on. Throw it up and catch. Use your chest and stomach to grab the ball. Okay. Good. Up and catch. Up and catch. Okay. Good. Nice. Okay. Now you have to get some grip right. Holding the ball, gripping the ball. You have to get some grip right. Okay, now we'll move on to some drills with our hands and with the ball to feel the ball. Okay, just open up your legs like this. Open up your legs. Okay, and keep the ball down. Keep the ball down and push the ball with your hands like this. See, push the ball with your hands. See, around your legs. Around your legs. With the ball, using both your hands. Good. Come on. See. Push. Come on. Always keep your eye on the ball so that you won't lose the ball. Okay? Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. This is to feel the ball. Feel the ball with your hands. Okay? Good. Nice. Now, spread up your legs. Spread up your legs and then just move the ball like that. Direction of infinity. Okay? See, just watch. See like this. Move in between your legs. See, move. Good. Practice this. This is to improve your touch with the ball. Nice. Come on. Keep going. Good. Keep doing. Good. Nice. Good. Keep going. Good. Nice. Good. Okay. Hold the ball up. Now spread your legs and we'll move the ball in between our legs. Okay. Holding like this. Okay. See. Just pass the ball to your both hands like this. See. Like this. This is to grip the ball properly. See. Come on. Keep going. Good. Keep going. Try to do as fast as you can. Okay, good. Nice. Keep going. Good. Okay, now relax. Now we move the ball around the hip. See? Move the ball around your hip. See like this. Come on. Good. Now change. Change the direction. Good. Okay, good. Come on. Keep going. Good. Okay, nice. Now we have done some touches with the ball, right? How we feel the ball when it's moving, and we move with the hands, right? coordination. Okay. For this, just pitch the ball down, catch, down, catch, down, catch. Pitch the ball down and catch. You have to catch the ball. Catch the ball. Don't just bang the ball. Okay. You have to just pitch it down, catch. Pitch it down, catch. See? Like this. Pitch it down, catch. Pitch it down, catch. Pitch it down, catch. Always you have to keep your eye on the ball. This will improve your eye contact with the ball. Okay. So just like you bend down, put it down, catch. Put down, catch. Down, catch. See? Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Come on. Come on. Keep doing this. Once you get a grip in the ball, holding the ball, try to push it harder. Okay? Just back the ball hard and catch. Back the ball hard and catch. Like this. Come on. Good. 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 Come on. Good. Just push the ball down and catch. Down and catch. Down and catch. Down and catch. Okay. Good. Nice. Now we just make some pitching and catching the ball exactly right. Now we'll just make some more challenging in this. Okay. For this, just pitch the ball close to your right leg, left leg, and move one step and hold the ball. See? Good. Come on. Keep doing this. Improve your footwork and as well as your eye contact with the ball. Good. Now shift to your left. Now to your right. Shift to your left. To your right. Good. 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 Nice. Good. Come on. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Good. Okay. Now relax. Relax. Keep the ball down. Take a walk. Walk around. Shake your hands. Shake your legs. This is to relax. Good. Come on. Nice. Shake hands and legs. Good. Okay. Now relax. Now we finish with the eye contact with the ball using the footwork also. Okay. Now I am going to tell you the three main positions in goalkeeping to catch the ball. Okay. First one is we call it as scooping. Scooping is when we do is when the ball is coming to you in the ground level. What we do is you have to just scoop the ball and hold. That we call as scooping. For this, I'll show you the position of scooping. If you are a right-hander, right leg is your strong leg. You can just keep it your right leg or left leg. Always keep your one leg forward. Okay, in the direction when the ball is coming. Imagine that ball is coming from here. Okay, I just come close to the ball, sit down like this, and I grab a ball like this. Okay, you are not supposed to sit like this. Okay, if you just lose the ball with your hand, it will go in between your legs and it will be a goal. So what we do is scooping position is just keep one leg forward, bend. Keep your back leg bend, knees down, and you have to grab the ball. Even if you miss the ball, holding here, your back leg will stop the ball. Just watch like this. See, if you miss, your back leg will stop the ball. This is your scooping position. Always keep one leg forward, other leg back for the support, and we scoop the ball like this. See, this is scooping. This is scooping. Good. Come on, I'll show you once again. Good. See, I'll use the ball and show you. See, just watch. Just hit the ball to the wall and we scoop. See, can you see me? This is first thing. This is first thing which we call as scooping. See, if the ball is coming from the ground level. Okay. We just practice this for some more times so that it will be perfect. Okay. Just put the ball to the wall, bend, catch. Put the ball, bend, and catch. Good. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep practicing this. See? Put the ball down and catch. Put the ball down and catch. Put the ball down and catch. Good. Keep practicing this. practicing this. See, just throw the ball to the wall and catch. Again, throw the ball and catch. Throw the ball and catch. Good. Throw the ball and catch. Come on. Keep practicing this. Good. At least 20 times. At least 20 times. See? Catch. Catch. Good. Keep doing this. Nice. Keep practicing this at least for 20 times. Come on. Make sure this. I'll show you the position once again. Now the ball is coming close to you. You have the ball there. Okay? You have to stay in front of the ball and cover in the goal too. You cannot just stay here and grab the ball like this. Okay? That will make a misuse. That will you lose the control of the ball and it will get into the goal. So what we do is come into the line of the ball and the goal post. Okay? Then get down, get low and grab the ball. This is first thing is this is first exercise which is called as scooping. Okay? Now we'll move on with the second drill which we call as cupping. Just this is like a cup and we hold the ball which is coming to a hip level. Okay? You cannot just sit down and grab the ball like this, right? When the ball is coming to your hip level, you are just bending your knees and holding the ball like this. See? I just throw it to the ball and show you. See? Just throw the ball and hold. While you are catching the ball, you use your forearms to take the ball and hold. See like this once again. Hold. Come on. Throw it up and hold. Throw it up and hold. Throw it up and hold. This is when you open up your hands like this using your forearms, you can just grab the ball. See? Grab the ball tight so that you will not lose the ball and you will not give the chance to the opponent to score. Okay? This is the second thing. Like your median is throw the ball up and catch. See? Throw the ball up and catch. Throw the ball up and catch. Come on. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Come on. Keep doing this. Good. 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 Come on. Keep practicing this. Nice. Nice. Come on. Keep doing. Keep doing. Good. 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 Come on. Keep practicing. Nice. Okay, keep doing this at least for 20 times. You should strike the median and catch. Okay. After doing this, we use the ball. Use the ball to throw the ball and catch. See? I just throw the ball and catch the hip level. See like this. Hip level. Throw the ball and it is coming back. After hold the ball to your hip level tight. Okay? This is cupping. This is called as cupping. First one is scooping, which we scoop the ball from the ground. Second one is cupping, which we sit down and hold the ball when it is coming to your hip level. See, we'll practice this at least 10-20 times. Okay, good. Throw the ball, catch. Throw the ball, catch. Throw the ball, catch. See, throw the ball and catch. Throw the ball to your hip level, throw ball, and when it comes back, catch it back. Okay, good. Come on. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Good. Throw the ball and catch. Good. 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 Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Good. Keep doing this. Once you get the control of the ball in a cupping level, see, just throw the ball hard to the ball and hold it back. Hold it tightly back. Okay? Good. Nice. Come on. Keep doing this. Keep practicing this. Right now, hit the ball hard and catch. Hit the ball hard and catch. Good. When we finish doing this, we'll add some more challenge in this. Okay? Stand close to the ball, throw the ball to your left side, and move to the left side and catch the ball. See like this. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Good. Good. You have to practice this. Okay? Using your footwork also. Footwork is very important for the goalkeeper. The ball is coming to your side. You have to move with the hand, catch the ball. Okay? First one, what we did is we did scooping, which we take the ball from the ground and throw. Second thing is cupping, which we stay low and hold the ball to a hip level. Okay? Now I will teach you the final thing. Final thing, when the ball is coming in the air, what is the exact position to catch the ball? Okay? until you this, which we call this is we call as a W position. See, can you just open up your fingers like this? Bring both the thumbs together. Can you see that W shape in between my fingers? Good. This is the exact position to hold the ball when it is coming in the air. Okay. See, just open up your fingers. Imagine that ball is coming, and you just grab the ball. See, just I'll show you. See, I'll show you. This is your W position. Can you see this? You are not supposed to leave some gap. Okay, if you leave some gap, it may pass in between your hands. So what we do is close both the thumb fingers, keep both the thumb fingers closed, and we hold the ball like this. See? Throw the ball and hold. Throw the ball and hold. Practice this. Keep practicing this. Good. See? You have to keep your both the thumb fingers closed while catching the ball. Main thing is that. Okay. And the next point is always when you go for the ball which is coming from the air, coming in the air, okay? You are not supposed to catch the ball like this. See? This is not the perfect position. If you just miss the ball, it may easily go. So what we do is you have to come in the line of the ball. Imagine that ball is coming to your left side. You cannot just catch the ball standing like this. Okay? You have to move to the ball on the line of the ball. Always your forehead should be straight to the ball. Okay, so that you will get good eye contact and you can easily catch the ball. See, like this. This is your position. See, it's coming to your left or right. You have to move towards the line of the ball. See, throw the ball up and catch. Throw the ball up, go towards the line of the ball and catch it. Okay, see, I'll show it using the ball. Just toss the ball up to your head level. The ball is coming back. You use your W shape and catch the ball. See, up, catch, see, throw it up and catch, throw it up and catch, throw it up and catch. First, you throw it up, good, catch, throw it up and catch. Come on, keep doing this, keep doing this. See, keep doing this. Good, good. Now we'll add some more challenges in this. Okay, just throw the ball across you and move towards the ball and catch the ball. See, like this. Throw the ball across and move and catch. Up and catch. See, throw, catch. Throw, catch. Good. Good. Come on. Throw and catch. Good. Keep practicing this. Keep doing this. Good. Good. Nice. Come on. Good. 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 Keep practicing this. Good. Practicing this. Nice. Good. 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 Keep doing it. Nice. Nice. Come on. Okay. Keep practicing this until you get a good grip on the ball in a W position. Okay. I'll just tell you the three main positions again. First one is scooping, which we bend down to the ground and grab the ball, scoop the ball from the ground. See, this is scooping. Keep in mind these are the main positions of catch the ball. And the second thing is cupping. Slightly bend down using your bending your knees. When the ball is coming to your hip level, you drag the ball and hold it tightly. Okay. And the third thing is W. Just when the ball is coming in the air, we just use our fingers in the W shape and we hold the ball. In W, the main position is you are supposed to maintain gap in between your hands, fingers, so that ball can easily go in between. Always keep the thumb finger close and catch the ball. See, close and catch the ball. Okay, good, nice. Okay, now I hope you all have done some goalkeeping positions. Okay, now we'll move on to some. Okay, now first we did the warm up and did some drills. Now our body is straight a lot, right? Now we'll make some pull down to relax our muscles. Okay. Now hands up, down slightly touch the ground, up again, and bend down and touch the ground, up again. Okay, now now slightly bend to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left. Okay, good. Now sit down. Sit down. Keep your legs straight forward like this, and shake your legs. Shake your legs. Swing it right. Good. Okay, nice. Now just bring your knees up and down, and tap your calf muscles down. See like this. Good. Nice. Okay, now bring your left leg up. Using your right leg part, you have to tap your calf muscles. Okay. Good. Do this. This is to relax your calf muscles. Good. Now change. Okay. Now relax. Bring both the legs together. Hold your toes and wiggle it up and down, so that you can relax your hip muscles and your thigh muscles. Okay. Good. Okay. Now relax. Move forward. Okay. I hope your body is cooled down. Cooled down. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I will come with the new sessions in the next video. Okay. Thanks for watching.